Now, we're going to get our software set up. Throughout this course we'll be using a software platform called Anaconda, an integrated development environment, IDE, called Jupyter Notebook, and the language of Python itself. This course will strictly cover Python 3, at times you may see me mention subtle differences between versions 2 and 3. Let's go ahead and download and install these first, then I'll get into what each of them are. Python runs on all major operating systems, making it a cross-platform language. This means that you can write code on one operating system and work with someone that uses a completely different machine than you. If both machines have Python installed, they should both be able to run the program. Most OS X and Linux operating systems already come with Python installed. You still need to download Anaconda. For Windows users, Python usually isn't included. But it gets installed with Anaconda. Use the following steps to install Anaconda properly. Open your browser and type www.anaconda.com/distribution. Click the download button in the header. Once you are on the next page, make sure you select the proper operating system on the header at the top. Click that button. Next, click the download button for the Python 3.7 or greater. This step is strictly for Windows users. Once the installer fully downloads, go ahead and run it. Use all defaults except for one option. When you get to the page, make sure you click the Add to Path option. This will let us access Anaconda through our terminal. For all options, besides step 5 for Windows users, use default settings. Then go ahead and click the Install button and let Anaconda finish installing.